Hello guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kakunda, and today our topic is modeling addition and subtraction of decimals. So our objective today will be understanding how to use models to add and subtract decimals. So we are going to use models to add and subtract decimals. So that's our main bit. So let's get started. So our model today is going to look something like this. It's going to be a 10 by 10 chart. So, or a grid, whatever you want to call it. So that means that you need to have 10 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we need to have 10 here. So on this side. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you don't have a grid with you right now, either you can print one out or you can make one. It's pretty easy. So let's get started with the problems. So we have 0.4 plus 0.37. Now how will we use the grid? So it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is we're just going to do this. So look at this. So we got 0.4 plus 0.37. Now, so this is one whole, the graph, the grid. The grid is one whole. So this is one whole, the whole thing, from here all the way to here. So like this is one whole. That is 1. So that means that this right here, this part of it, would be 0.1. So the whole one thing, this part would be 0.1. Then just the one block would be 0.01. So this is the 10th place, and this is the 100th place. Now let's get started. First off, I'm just going to erase these because we won't need them for the problem. So I'm going to use blue for 0.4. So we're doing 0.4, so that means 4 is in 10th place. So what we're going to do is we're going to color 4 full columns. So we got 1. You can use a highlighter if you want. 2, 3, and then we have 4. Now we have 0.37. I'm going to use purple for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to first, we know that we have 3 in the 10th place, right here. So that means we're going to color 3 of the 10ths. So that means 3 full columns. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're not done yet because we still have a 7 in 100th place. We have a 7 in 100th place. So that means we're going to shade 7 of the single block. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what do? We're simply just going to count how many blocks we have. So we have, I'm going to use a different color for this so it looks better. So right here, we have 0.1, then 0.2, then it comes 0.3, then 0.4. So from here all the way to here is 0.4. That doesn't look like a 4. So I'm gonna erase that and make it look like a 4. Okay. So there we go. So that means so far we have 0.4. Now I'm going to erase this. So there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing again with the purple. So first off, we have 0.4. And then we're going to do, we have, so right here, so we have 0.1, 0.2, and then 0.3. And then we're just going to write 0.3 there. And then we have 7 here. So that means 0.07. So either you can just add them up normally, but that wouldn't be much of modeling. So we're just going to count how many blocks are shaded. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. And then 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. So that means that our answer would be 0.77. So normally you would call this 0.77. That's our answer. Now I'm going to show you one more problem. So we have 0.56 plus 0.49. So I'm going to show you how to do this one. So we're going to use the same method. So first, we're going to shade 0.56. That means we're going to shade 5 of these, so 5 full columns. So let's do that. One second. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can color it completely if you want, color it in, and then, but I'm just gonna do this because I want to show you fast. So then we have 6 in our hundredths place. So that means we're gonna shade 6 of the just single blocks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm gonna use yellow for 0.49. So that means we're gonna shade 4 complete columns. So let's do that. So we have 1, sorry. So then we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 4. Now we have 3 remaining here. So that we see that we have 9 in the hundredths place. So that means we're going to put 3 of them over here. But that still means that we have 6 remaining. So what do? Well, you're just going to add another graph or grid. So let's do that. There we go. Now we have our second grid. Now we know that we have 6 remaining because we shaded 3 out of 9. So now we're going to shade 6 single blocks, whatever you're going to call it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're just going to count. If you want, you can use adding, but I recommend counting because it's easier and it's more creative, I guess. So let's start counting. So I'm gonna use red for the counting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, thing is, you don't even have to count this whole block. Why? Well, because it's fully shaded. That simply means that that means our whole number is gonna be 1. So you know how in the decimal, let's say we have 0.26 or 1.4. So you always have a number here. So this number is 1 for this problem. So we don't have to count this. We can just cross it off because we basically, in a way, already counted it. Let's just cross it off. Now we're going to count the other one. So that means we're going to count the ones from the second grid. So we have 1. So 1 second. I need to choose a color. So we have 1. And then 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. And then 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that means our answer is going to be not 1.6. So don't get confused. It's going to be 1.06. So let's write that down. So 1.06. So why is it not 1.6? It would be 1.6 if like only 6 of the full columns were shaded. So our answer is 1.06. Problem time. So guys, now I want you guys to pause this video and try this problem out by yourself. And don't mind the 2, it's supposed to be 1. So your problem is 0.45 plus 0.32. Use a grid and try to solve this by yourself. Okay, assuming that you tried it out, I'm going to show you what to do now. So I'm going to use, this time I'm going to use green for 0.45. So I'm going to underline that in green just so I remember. Okay, so let's do this. So we have 0.45. That means 4/10 place. That means we're going to shade 4 complete columns. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So we're going to highlight the 4th one. So there we go. And then 5. And then we have, actually, I forgot. We have to only highlight or underline or shade. We're only supposed to shade 4. So I'm going to erase this. Oops. Sorry. Okay, there we go. And then we have 5 in the hundredths place. So that means we're going to shade 5 single squares, so or rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 0.32. So we're going to shade 3 full columns. So let's do that. I'm going to use yellow for this one. So we have 1. It's not visible. So I'm going to do this. So we have 1, and then we have 2. I left this one out, so let's do 3 here. There we go. And then now we have 2 over here. Okay, sorry. I went over it instead of going like that. Okay, there we go. We have 2. So that means we're just going to shade 2 of these. So we have 1 and 2. Now I'm going to count. This time I'm going to use purple to count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So we're not going to count these three because they are not shaded. So I'm just going to cross those off in red. Okay, now let's continue. So we got 47 until here. So we have 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. So you might be thinking 77 is our answer, but it's not. Like I said in the first problem we did, that is going to be where our decimal, 77, is the number after decimal point. Our answer would be 0.77. So that's our answer. So that's it for our lesson today. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below if you got the right answer. And thank you so much. Have a great day. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.